guys, so this plant was my inspiration for the painting that we did today. I am using some Arteza paints, and you guys know I don't do a lot of green, so we did green today. And I decided to do kind of a little bit of a different technique. This plant is called, I got it from IKEA. It is called an Anthurium. Don't correct my pronunciation because I'm probably not correct. But it is nice and sturdy and durable, and I only have to water it like once a week, which is awesome, if not twice a week. So it's great. But so what I decided, I wanted the green on the bottom, you know, to kind of go like a plant kind of idea, but still be pouring. And then this next color reminded me, it's Amaranth red, which reminded me, and again my pronunciation is terrible, it reminded me of the plant, sort of. Not really, kind of, but whatever. The plant's beautiful, and I have 2 of them, and they're lasting in my house. Shock. I do not have a green thumb. Anyways, so but this plant has, you know, the green, the red, and then we're going to use some Deco Art 24 karat gold, which this plant has like the gold stems in the middle. So of course we go and we put this 24 karat gold in the middle, and it just ends up looking amazing. I have never used 24 karat Deco Art, and I've always seen artists rave about it. Yeah, now I understand why. Well, you'll see, because I actually ended up taking this outside to take a picture of it in the sun, because again I was using the plant for my inspiration, and the sun was shining so nicely yesterday when I was taking the pictures, and I was just like, oh, I just gotta go with the whole, you know, theme, I guess. So, and then what I'm doing is I'm just layering it again. Now when I did this, I ended up not really liking how it was spreading on the paint, because I guess I was kind of blowing some of that white base paint as I was doing the first layers, so it didn't spread as much as I wanted it to, but it's okay, we got it. It ended up turning out okay, but as you can see, like, it's disappearing, it's gone, I was like, what's going on? And I'm also still learning how to use this freaking blower. I'm still missing my first blower, but I bought so many different blowers that I finally decided I have to be happy with this one and just get used to it and figure out how to work it. So, you know, I think the stores were getting tired of me returning them. So, you know, but I mean, these colors are just absolutely beautiful. These are the Pearl Azteca line, I guess. So they have like this nice shimmery, and you'll be able to see it when you see the final. It shimmers similar to the 24 karat gold. So it really, especially the green, you can really see it. The sun really picks it up, so I'm excited. But after I was done putting that green down, I was like, oh my goodness, I don't like it. And I normally do not scrape. You guys know that. Normally I take the time to fix it, but I was like, everything else about this is nice, but I don't like that part. So I just went ahead and I scraped it. Yes, I did. And I had a little bit of white left over from when I was putting down the paint. So I was like, okay, let's just hope that I don't mess it up, because I normally don't scrape. Oh, I was so nervous. I was like, please, no. Man, I was holding my breath, but I was very careful, and luckily, because I've been working with the scraper, I've gotten it down, and you know, it worked out. I was lucky. So, man, but yeah, since I've seen you guys last, I've learned, don't ever stop medication cold turkey, ever. I am on a fibromyalgia medication, and I tried to stop it cold turkey just to see if I really needed it, and yeah, that's not a good idea. I went into a huge flare, and my doctor, I love her to death. This is the wet reveal. It looks amazing. I mean, look at that gold. But yeah, my doctor, she kind of got on me, and I learned, don't ever do that. So needless to say, that's why I've kind of been not around for the last couple weeks, so I apologize. But this week has been going really well now that I'm back on my medication. I've been, you know, pain has been managed, and moods have been better, and things have been great. How they're supposed to be. But look, I even got cells from the Deco Art, which is amazing. Now, I mixed all this paint, besides my base paint, with just water. Because Deco Art, I don't like mixing it with Liquitex pouring medium. It doesn't react very well. So I just did the Arteza with water and the Deco Art with water. My base paint, I mixed with my normal. Now again, not again, but I apologize. I held the phone at the wrong angle. I was very upset about that, so I apologize. It is not wide frame for you, but look at that gold, and see how the green just absolutely shimmers in the sunlight. It is absolutely beautiful. And that red, it's like the pearl, and it just picks up and it looks like that flower. I was so amazed by how it turned out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I look forward to showing you guys more paintings. Check me out on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye!